unboxing the Ipsy Glambag and the Ipsy Plus. Now don't worry, my daughter and I always unbox our Ipsy Glambag Plus together, so we will be coming back and doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy Glambag Plus. She is a busy girl. She is considered an essential worker. Yes, I'm a stressed out mom, so we will be coming back and unboxing it when she has time and can do that. So huge thank you and big prayers to all of our essential workers, including my baby girl. Whew, emotional mom. But I tell you what, I had before I get into it, guys, you guys know I'm all over the place. I had a comment in our last unbagging where we unbagged our Ipsies, and somebody said something about me not being myself and just not being my normal bubbly self. And I guarded, I don't remember the exact terminology, but all I could think was, if you only knew what was going on behind closed doors when it came to my daughter and my son being considered essential workers, and it's a lot of stress. So yeah, if I seem a little off, guys, yeah, I've been binge eating like something fierce, something crazy. Today's been my day back to keto, and I've been one stressed out mother. So yeah, if I seemed a little off when my daughter and I were unbagging that, that's probably why. She had been at work and it's stressful for her and it's worrisome for us, and anyhow. But I know all of you all out there that are essential workers, you understand what I'm saying. For parents out there that have children that are considered essential workers, I know you know exactly the struggle that it can be. So like I said, prayers to everybody. If you can stay home, please stay home. Let's get into this. What I do on this particular video is I unbox both of these items, both of these Ipsy products. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is one that I've already done a video, like I said, with Haley on, and this is the Ipsy Glambag. Now this is a $12 a month bag, and it is a subscription, so it is monthly. It is profile based, and I will tell you guys, I do fib on my profile, judgment free, drama free zone, but I do say that I am like mid-20s because ever since I switched it up and gave a bogus age, I have gotten a lot better bags than normal. So jumping right into this $12 a month bag, like I said, Haley and I have already done Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, unbagging this. You guys should check out her bag. I'll try and remember to link it up here. If not, maybe I can try and remember to link it in the description box down below. So as always, we do get a card. This month's bag, so cute. I just thought it was so precious. It's a nice little spring color lavender bag, cute little accent zipper. Moving right in, the first item that I did receive is, I think it's called HAILEY'S, and this is a smart nail polish. I have not tried it yet. It's in Living Lovely. I need to try it because this color is the epitome of spring. Like, how beautiful is this color? I don't even know. I think that my light may be washing it out, but it's a really pretty, like, pinky lavender color, and I will definitely be putting this on, putting it to use very soon. This is a full-size product, and it does have a retail value of $12.50. So right then and there, we've already made our money back on this $12 plus tax bag. Now with Ipsy, you do get to customize one of your products in your Ipsy Glambag Plus and in your Ipsy bag. I chose the Super Berry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask by Youth to the People. This is a decent sized product. There's a bit of an air bubble in here where some of the product is missing, but like I told you guys when Haley and I unboxed this, I do kind of feel like there's enough in here to give me a good enough idea of whether or not I like this product. I mean, there is a pretty good chunk, so there's that. But I will definitely be coming back and letting you guys know. I've been better about using up all of my samples, so you guys will see it in my monthly empties. That's where I do little reviews on a lot of these products. The next item is the Oatmeal Face Scrub by Thane. It's an organic chamomile oil, rice callus culture, and marshmallow extract. That sounds kind of delicious except for the extract part, or the callus. Yeah, it says that. It says when dead skin cells build up, they can seriously dull your glow. Exfoliating is a surefire way to get your skin smooth, clean, and luminous. This is a non-abrasive scrub, uses oatmeal and apricot seeds to buff away dirt and debris. A little bit about the Youth to the People product. It says, get glowing while you sleep with this intensely hydrating overnight mask. It uses vitamin C squalene, and it mimics skin's natural oils. It has antioxidant richness to it. So really excited about that, because you guys know I do use retinol products, so I do get a little bit of a dryness to my skin. So actually, when I actually read these little things, I'm like, oh, this product does sound really nice. Okay, so the next item I received in here is the Gerard Cosmetics Lash Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. I'm always down to try out mascara, so I was pretty pleased with that. Retail value of the full-size product of this is $22. And then last but not least, I did get this little brush called, it's a blending brush by, is it Shaquita? I don't know. Araceli Beauty is the name of the brand, and it is a $14 brush. Okay, so that was everything in our glam bag. I have not opened the Ipsy Glambag Plus. Now this is a $25 a month plus tax, and I have sanitized it, and it has been sitting out, and it's now been allowed to come in. Like I said, this is a $25 a month box, and you do get to choose one of your items in here. I think I chose a blush palette. I can't remember. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hold up. Let's see here. Am I actually going to be in love with this Glambag Plus box? Okay, so as always, we do get a card in here. It says Full Bloom on it. And the first item, I can't not try this. This is a Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Cream Conditioner with biotin in them. I'm all about that. You guys know that I unboxed the AIA, American Influencer box, and it's a beauty bundle box. It's like $34, and everything in there was by Guy Tang. Oh my gosh, I already bought backup of all of this stuff, because oh my goodness, it makes your hair fabulous, and it smells bougie. I couldn't shut up about it. This is hair looking dry and dull. This baby will shine things up without any greasiness, made with biotin, a B vitamin that helps stimulate hair growth. Oh, we love that. I have thyroid problems, so we need all the help we can get. This leave-in treatment tames, frizz, detangles, moisturizes, and helps hair grow long and strong. Retail value $18.95. The next item I got, gosh darn it, the heck. Oh, I will actually use this. Okay, I was about to start griping. This is by Tarte, and I feel like I haven't seen Tarteist in anything in a while. This is something that I feel like we used to see the Tarteist products, or yeah, line from Tarte a lot in Boxycharm. This is the Double Take Eyeliner in Black with a $24 retail value. It says, to be honest, we love just one Tarte liner, but two. Yep, Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with the dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. So on one side, it is like a regular type of liner that I always use on my waterline, and then, or tight line. I think it's called tight line. Waterline is always like a nude color that I put on there. This side is more of like a liquid liner gel pen type of dealio, so maybe I'll get back into it. I don't really know, but anywho. Okay, so the next item, this I'm really excited about because I did pick this. So like I said, just like with our Glambag Ipsy Plus bag, you can curate one item. You do get to pick, it's multiple choice. I want to say there was like eyeshadow palette or this palette. This is the Shayna B Miami. Oh, you're really pretty. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Then you open it up and you get a highlighter and some blushers. Looks like 2 highlighters and a blush. This is really pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm pretty excited about it. And who doesn't love a flamingo? Do you see the print in there? So pretty. I'm actually really excited about this, and I don't think I've tried this brand before. This does have a retail value of $20. Give your skin a just back to South Beach glow with this blush and highlighter palette. Its warm tones are inspired by Miami. Use the matte blushes on your cheeks for a soft, pretty flush and the shimmering highlights on the high points of your face to make your features pop. I will definitely be trying that out. Okay, moving right along. Oh, goodness gracious. We have Dose of Colors. We have a Dose of Colors and an Ipsy Glambag Plus. Again, this to me is like a brand you typically only see in Boxycharm. Maybe I'm wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. But I'm excited about this. I love Dose of Colors lippies. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's jump into this. I am shook. This is kind of not my color. It is in the shade Plum Queen. And their liquid mattes are so comfortable. I don't want to open it. I probably will end up giving this to Haley. I don't know. It's so pretty. It's like a deep plum shade. I think it would be pretty, but I also, you guys, I mean, if you've been with me for a while, you know I'm a chicken butt when it comes to dark colors on my lips. So that's unfortunate, but it is a pretty color. And it's an awesome brand, awesome brand to get. This has a retail value of $18, and like I said, it's in the shade Plum Queen, and it's a liquid matte lipstick, and their liquid mattes are so comfortable. Okay, so the last item is the Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask, a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse detox. Wow. It looks like it's filled to about here, but that's not bad. I mean, it has a retail value, oh shoot, $49. $49. The secret to fresh, dewy face dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in the mask, Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex, are straight magic for skin. Wear it for 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin to make large pores a thing of the past. I am shook. Okay, now I forgot to tell you guys, the other last item is the Biog, which they've really like started making them a lot smaller. They're like the same size as what you would get in your Ipsy Glambag. So still adorable. I love the color. I love the little detail. So I think that that is absolutely adorable. Let me go ahead and tally up everything. So I just tallied everything up in this box. Remember, this is a $25 a month box plus tax, and everything that I received in here came to a total of $129.25. Let me give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so you know last month I said I felt like between the $12 plus tax and the $25 plus tax, I felt like the $12 bag was definitely a better deal than the $25 one. This month, I'm shook. This month, I'm excited to tell you guys that I actually really like the $25 bag. I like everything in it. I think that I can get use out of everything minus the lipstick, which again, maybe I'll force myself to try it, maybe ombre it out or something. I don't know. If not, you'll see Haley will get it. But I don't know. I'm really excited about this box. I mean, honestly, it's been a long time since Ipsy's got me really excited over the Glambag Plus box. So definitely need to try all the products out and everything. But off of like first impressions, I'm really excited about this box, which has been like, I feel like forever since I really enjoyed the Ipsy Glambag Plus. So let me know down below, did you get both of these, one of these? What was your favorite item? That I upload over here 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I'd love to have you guys as part of our family over here. I do have a second channel, which I kind of went rogue again, or whatever the word is, MIA, and I haven't been uploading as much over there, but I'll get back to it eventually. I've just been one stressed out mama. So anywho guys, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!